Good day and evening, everyone. Today is episode 2 of Healthy Food and Wellness in Health with Ram Raps. Now, we have a topic today that is on another good food that is packed with nutrients, which is what's the word on apricots? Now, one thing I gotta say is that apricots is fruit for the heart. Now, apricots have a unique mix of healing compounds, which makes this food a powerful ally against fighting heart disease. Along with beta-carotene, apricots contain lycopene, and both compounds have been shown in studies to fight the process by which the dangerous low-density LDL form of cholesterol turns rancid in the bloodstream. Now, this is important because LDL goes bad, it's more likely to stick to the artery walls. Lycopene is currently considered one of the strongest antioxidants we know about. A 13-year study found that those with the highest intake of carotenoids had a 1/3 lower risk of heart disease than those with the lower intakes. In an 8-year study of 90,000 nurses, those with diets richest in carotenoids had a 1/4 lower risk. Apricots are a good source of beta-carotene. 3 fruits contain up to 2 milligrams, about 30% of the recommended daily amount. Is there anything else apricots are good for, Now, apricots are also good for the eyes. Even if you don't like spinach, which is very high in vitamin A, apricots are actually high in vitamin A, and they are good for your eyes. The beta-carotene in apricots is converted to vitamin A in the body. Now, this nutrient helps protect the eyes, and as it turns out, the eyes need all the help they can get. Every time light passes through the eyes, it triggers the release of tissue-damaging free radicals. Left unchecked, these destructive oxygen molecules attack and damage the lenses of the eyes, possibly setting the stage for cataracts. Now, one thing with apricots, they combat free radicals. Free radicals can also attack blood vessels, supplying the central position of the retinas, called the macula. Now, if the blood supply gets cut off, the results can be macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Vitamin A has been shown in studies to be a very powerful antioxidant. That is, it helps block the effects of free radicals. A study of more than 50,000 nurses, for example, found that women who got the most vitamin A in their diets reduced their risk of getting cataracts by more than 1/3. 3 apricots provide 2,769 international units of vitamin A, 55% of the daily value. Now, one thing it is very almost impossible to exaggerate the benefits of getting enough fiber in your diet, which is high in apricots. High fiber foods can help you lose weight, control high blood sugars, and lower cholesterol levels. They're also essential for keeping digestion regular. So here's another reason to add apricots to your fruit bowl. 3 fruits contain 3 grams of fiber, 12% of the daily value. Better yet, that's a minimal calorie cost, just 51 calories for all 3 apricots. When you're eating apricots for fiber, however, be sure to eat the skin as well, which contains a substantial amount of the fruit's fiber. It is so excellent to hear so many health benefits of these. How we think that these fruits are they're just fruit, just a little fruit, healthy to eat, but they have so much packed within it when it comes to your health and wellness. Okay, now getting the most is now you want to eat your apricots firm. Even if you enjoy your fruit nice and soft, it's best to eat apricots while they're still slightly firm. Apricots contain the most nutrients when they're at their peak of ripeness. Once they start getting soft, the compounds quickly begin to break down. Now, you want to shop for color. Unlike most fruits, apricots can be yellow or orange and still be ripe. Both colors are acceptable when you're trying to get the most healing benefits. However, apricots that have green in them were picked early and may never ripen, which means that they lose out on much of their healing goodness. So you want to look for those apricots that are yellowish orange, okay? Now you want to store your apricots carefully. Now, it's important to keep apricots cool to prevent them from getting overripe. Unless you're going to eat them within a day or two, it's best to store them in a fruit bin in the refrigerator, where they'll keep for about a week. Here's another storage tip. Now, because apricots are such a soft, delicate fruit, they readily pick up flavors from other fruits they're stored with, like in the refrigerator, for example, or even from a refrigerator smell. It's a good idea to store them in a paper bag just to keep that freshness and that apricot good taste. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this short podcast on talking about healthy foods for health and wellness. Now, please stay tuned to our third episode coming next Thursday. We appreciate you watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.